This Adobe Illustrator worksheet is sheet 3. It works on pen tool basics. Again, with our typing tool, we go ahead, we put our name over here. You're not going to need any specific tool menus that aren't already available to the left of your screen. So I won't go up to the Windows menu. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of adjust my name a little bit. Okay, so for the top, selecting and moving, we're going to use the direct selection tool, which is that white arrow that I already have selected. And we are going to select an anchor and move it. Anchors are the corners of your line, or on curves, they're going to be kind of what control the curves. So for this first, we want to make all the black shapes look like the gray shapes. So for the first one here, I'm just going to select this corner here, and I'm going to drag it until it lays on top of the corner of that gray shape. I want to get as close as I can to that corner there, and I'll let go. And that's it. The first one is done. So it's just takes a little bit more precision as you get down into these shapes all the way up to 14. Scooting down to part 2, I'm actually going to draw the lines now. So now there's some gray lines, and I'm just going to trace them. The pen tool over here, notice when I hover it says pen tool there. Looks kind of like the tip there of that pen. I'm going to click on it. Notice how if I hold down, this other menu comes up. You want to make sure you're not accidentally on one of these other ones. We just want pen tool, but if something starts to go wrong, check and make sure you didn't accidentally click one of the other ones. So we just want the pen tool, and we're going to go over and we're going to click one time in the corner. I'm not holding it, I'm not dragging it here, I'm moving over here, and then I'm going to click here telling the computer I want it to draw a line from one of those points to the other. I'm going to continue that line by coming down and clicking down here once. You want to make sure you make this one continuous line by not stopping your clicking in between. Clicking and releasing, clicking and releasing. And now I don't want this to carry over to the neck, continue to the next shape. So I just come over, I click the pen tool one time, and it ends the shape I was just making and lets me start a new shape here. And I would just continue on there. And that's how you do part 2.